In the heart of East Antarctica, on a plateau colder than any place on Earth, a secret has been sleeping for millions of years. Most people standing here would see only endless white silence. But 4 kilometers beneath their feet lies something impossible, a massive liquid lake, sealed away from the atmosphere, untouched by sunlight, older than the human species itself. This is Lake Vostok, one of the most isolated environments on the planet, and inside it may live organisms unlike anything else on Earth. For decades, scientists believed Antarctica's ice sheet was frozen solid to the bedrock. But in the late 1950s, seismic readings revealed something strange. Sound waves didn't bounce off rock. They flowed across something smooth, something flat, something that absorbed their energy. A buried lake. The discovery wasn't confirmed until 1996, when radar satellites revealed the full shape of the hidden world below the ice. What they found wasn't a small pocket of meltwater, it was a giant. Lake Vostok stretches across 15,000 square kilometers, roughly the size of Lake Ontario. In some places, it reaches depths of 800 meters. It even has its own island, buried beneath the ceiling of ice. But the most haunting part wasn't its size, it was its solitude. This water has been sealed off for at least 15 million years, preserved in total darkness under crushing pressure. If you could descend into Lake Vostok, you wouldn't survive the journey. The pressure down there is nearly 400 atmospheres, the same as being 3 kilometers underwater. The water is super cold, around -3 degrees Celsius, yet it remains liquid because the weight of the ice prevents it from freezing. The lake is alive with movement. Geothermal heat rises from the bedrock. Glacial melt drips downward. Water refreezes upward. This cycle has created something remarkable: oxygen saturation 50 times higher than a normal freshwater lake. At these concentrations, oxygen becomes toxic. Ordinary organisms would be destroyed by free radicals. And yet, something may be alive in this hostile world. In 2012, after decades of effort, Russian researchers finally breached the lake's surface. The moment the drill touched the water, pressure forced liquid upward, freezing it into a clean sample inside the borehole. When scientists analyzed the ice, they found thousands of genetic sequences. Many were dismissed as contamination, but a handful were different. Some belonged to extremophiles, microbes capable of surviving cold, darkness, and extreme oxygen levels. One bacterium shared less than 86% of its DNA with any known species on Earth. That is a massive biological gap. It suggests that life in Lake Vostok may have evolved along its own path, isolated for millions of years. Lake Vostok is more than a hidden lake. It is a blueprint for life in extreme environments. If living organisms can survive here, in pitch-black, oxygen-toxic water, then life may survive in similar places far beyond Earth. Moons like Europa and Enceladus may hold oceans beneath their icy crusts. And Lake Vostok shows that water plus energy, time, might be enough for life to form, even in total darkness. Today, Lake Vostok remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Reaching it is dangerous, studying it is difficult, and the ethical challenges are enormous. But its existence changes how we see our planet and how we search the universe for life. Because sometimes alien worlds aren't light years away. Sometimes they're hidden right beneath our feet. If you'd like to explore more hidden worlds beneath the ice, consider subscribing.